Hey everyone, David here with Fragrance Pros, here again with another quick unboxing, this time on a fragrance that a lot of people are enjoying, and that is Uomo by Salvatore Ferragamo. Now if you're not aware, I have a full review of this. You can go to the little card up there and you can watch my full review of this. And I also have a guest host reviewer on there, and we were kind of split on the opinions. Tyler really liked it and I did not like it. So your opinions may vary, of course. And before we get started, of course, knife of the day. And this, of course, is a little leather slip that I got from Knives Ship Free. This is bison leather, one of my favorite leathers of all time. I forgot what they called this. It's not the Eureka. I forgot what it was, but it's one of my favorite knives from Great Eastern Cutlery. Really love it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this real fast here. All right, so the box, I think, is kind of loud. Not a fan of the typography here. A little simple on the sides and the back, but I just do not like the front there. I think it's kind of gaudy. Anyway, let's open it up here. I got another instructions on how to open the bottle here. There's the safety cap, apparently. And there it is. So some people really like the bottle, some people hate it. I'm kind of mixed. I think that the bottle is a pretty cool design. It has some kind of loud elements right there. I guess if you need a safety cap on, if you're traveling, whatever, you can take that. But it doesn't really stay on very well, so I don't know if it'll travel very well. But yeah, you can just spray it like that. Pretty good sprayer, I guess. This is a 50 ml bottle, if you weren't aware. And that is it. That is Ferragamo Uomo. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. I'm David with the Fragrance Bros. Bye.